Hey folks, Jim Fortin here, MindAuthorityNetwork.com. Now this is the first week of January 2012, and this week there are tons of people out there that are setting their goals and making their New Year's resolutions only to find that they've fallen off track in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and maybe even 4 weeks. Now, if that sounds familiar to you, if you've tried to change in the past and you failed, there's a reason why. If you've set goals and you haven't achieved your goals, or you've set New Year's resolutions and for some reason you've fallen off track very quickly, there's a reason why. Okay, the biggest mistake that most people make when they're setting their goals or New Year's resolutions is that they start from the outside in. They start externally. The personality, the mind works like an onion. It works in layers from the inside out. What most people try to do, and you've probably done this yourself, you've said, you know, I'm going to prospect more, I'm going to make more money, I'm going to do more networking groups, or I'm going to get in shape, or I'm going to stop eating all the Ho-Hos and Cheetos and Doritos and Ding Dongs and ice cream, and I'm going to get healthy and fit. And for those of you that do that, you might find that day 1, day 2, day 3, you're doing well. When it comes to the food situation, day 4, you're thinking, yeah, I've been pretty good this week. And then day 5, you say, you know what? I've been good all week long. I can have that hamburger. And then on Saturday, you're back to your old habit, your old habits and your old patterns again. Well, the reason that that happens again is because people they start creating personal change. They try to create personal change in the way that the brain doesn't work. The way that the brain works is from the inside out like an onion. So this is what people do. People try to change their environment by changing their behavior. And that's where most people stop, and that's probably where you have stopped in the past, is at the level of behavior. Well, as you're about to discover, it goes much deeper than that. The personality goes from environment to behavior to self-talk to beliefs to identity. And you'll hear many rah-rah motivational speakers say you gotta believe. Well, below the level of belief, which is neurological, comes identity. Now here's the key to this whole video. We only do what we are. So you can set goals all day long to make $500,000 or to lose all this weight, which actually is negative. It's not the way the brain works. It doesn't talk about losing. It talks about going to its ideal weight. So you can set goals all day long, but if you are not that in your identity, then you'll never achieve that goal or fulfill that resolution. So the way to do that is, Descartes said many years ago, I think, therefore I am. And in many videos that I shoot on the Mind Authority Network, I have this wristband here, and it's a Mind Authority, rubber wristband like the Live Strong wristbands. It's purple's for royalty, but it says I am. And it reminds me that whatever I say that I am, I am. What I talk to myself with repetition about is what I become, because that's conditioning my unconscious mind. Now, many people actually laugh, they scoff at affirmations, but the way that the mind works, the way to reprogram your identity, when you reprogram your identity, you automatically do the behaviors. You no longer have to try to make money or to lose weight or whatever it is that your resolution and goal is. You simply reprogram yourself by constant affirmative self-talk and imagery. Doesn't even matter if you believe in it. It doesn't, because the brain works on repetition, and it places importance by how much you talk about that repetition. The unconscious mind also doesn't know the difference between real and imagined. So the more that you imagine something being true, the more the unconscious mind thinks that it's true, and the more that the unconscious mind works on it. So stop setting goals, external goals, stop setting all these resolutions, and then stop falling short. So the way that you do that is you start doing something new, and you start from the inside out. You start with the identity. So the way that you do that, you've heard this before in many self-help books, but the science is this. Again, the unconscious mind doesn't know the difference between real and imagined. So the more that you imagine something as being true, the more the unconscious mind is going to work on that. Final note here, Dr. Emile Coué, he was a physician back in Geneva, I believe about 120 years ago, and his patients were recovering 5 times faster than patients at nearby clinics. And what he had his patients doing is self-talk. They would say, every day and every way, I become healthier and healthier. Well, by doing that, they were conditioning themselves. I am. Every day in every way, I am becoming healthier. Every day in every way, I am becoming stronger. The more that you say something to yourself, the more the unconscious mind believes it, and the more that you reprogram, you restructure your unconscious thought patterns. When you restructure your unconscious thought patterns, everything else happens automatically. Okay, this is Jim Fortin, MindAuthorityNetwork.com. For more great tips like this, you can visit MindAuthority.com or the MindAuthorityNetwork.com, which is a comprehensive library of persuasion and influence videos and material, and peak performance material as well. All right, thanks for watching. Do what you can to make it a great year. And remember, I am. The more that you talk to yourself about something, the more that you become that thing. Take care. Bye-bye.